How to clear cache and cookies on Google Chrome PC. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Google Chrome on your PC. Next step is to head over to the top right corner where you see three lines. Now from here a menu will pop up, and on this menu all you have to do is simply head over to your settings by scrolling down and clicking on the gear icon. Once you land to your settings page, you just need to head over to privacy and security on the left side of your screen. Once you land on here, you have option to block third-party cookies, so click on it and you can allow its settings or block it. Then click on delete browsing data. Here you can delete your history, cookies, cache, and more. Click on this. Now on the top you will see the time range. I suggest you head over to advanced tab first and then click on the time range here to select your time range. So let's just select last 4 weeks and then select cookies and other sites, and if you want to clear cache you can choose this one as well. Then click on delete data and then all of your cookies and data will be deleted, and it's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.